1. How can you view new emails that you have received? 2. What can you do if you receive an email and want to send a response? 3. How do you sign out of a Gmail account? 4. Which of these is another communication service on the internet besides email? 5. What is necessary to access the internet? 6. The internet can be accessed without any electronic device. 7. You need a username and password to create an email account. 8. You can send emails without an internet connection. 9. Gmail is the only email service available. 10. You can receive emails from other people who have an email address.